Hi, Chef Raphael here. On this video, I'm actually doing it at the Green Spoon Kitchen. All the ingredients that I've used on this video are all available at greenspoon.co.ke, but it's all about the organic vegetables. On this video, I'm showing you how to make greens. I'm using spinach. I'll talk about what you need to consider when you're buying green vegetables, especially spinach, and how to tell they're organic, and most importantly, how to properly cook them to get to these results. It's super simple. Let's get cooking. So before cooking the vegetables, the first thing you want to do is to clean them well. Now you have a nice bunch of greens that is organic. The good thing about organic vegetables is the fact that it's first of all, it's healthier. The fact that it has not been grown with pesticides and all that, this is a good thing. Now to cut the vegetables, the most important thing to have is a sharp knife. So cut them to a desired size, and to be honest, it doesn't have to be very small, shredded in size, and that's it. So the next thing that is left to do is to pre-cook them, and I'll show you how to do it. Now what you do is I put a little bit of water here, and then it's on high heat. All I need to do is to, now again, this is pre-cooking. You don't have to do this step, but I prefer using it because it reduces the amount of liquid. For the final dish, I don't want it to be too wet. I'm going to cover the pan. You want it to steam, and this will be just for a few minutes. So this should not take anything more than 2 minutes, especially on high heat. So now it's ready, it's blanched. So the fact that these greens are actually organic, it actually makes it even more enjoyable to eat. Because the thing about conventional farming, sometimes the farmers may cut shortcuts in terms of what they put in the greens. So when it comes to cooking it, now I have some onion, again organic. Now a lot of you believe that organic vegetables are expensive. Actually they are not, and there are other things to consider apart from the actual cost when you're buying them. Like on this one's on greenspoon.co.ke, they are actually comparable in terms of pricing compared to the normal onion. So they are not as expensive as you think they are. And part of this campaign that we're doing in Kilimo High is to get people aware about organic farming and organic vegetables. And then I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning. The seasoning I will use is you can use salt and pepper, but I'm going to use a cube, a Royco cube. So crumble. So instead of salt, I'm going to use this as the seasoning. And this is all the seasoning that I need to give the greens a nice flavor. But you can still use salt, add some ginger, have some garlic, and then just fry them as I have done here. So all I'm doing here right now is to mix the onion together with the greens, a little bit of that oil. Everything is necessary, even a little bit of oil. Saying to cook without oil is not necessarily healthy, but it depends on your condition. So this is ready. Nothing is too much. I love the amount of onion that I've put. I always love using red onion because you can see it. Awesome. Love the crunch. Love the flavor. It will go perfectly well with the meatballs and the plantains, and it's as simple as that. Again, all the ingredients that I'm using here, they're all available at greenspoon.co.ke. And in terms of organic vegetables, they're also available at Sylvia's Basket. It's an online store. In Carrefour Supermarket, they have the organic vegetables section. But again, what is most important is anything that is organic has to have the Kilimo High mark of quality. Again, this has been another cooking video with Kilimo High Organic, telling you about organic vegetables and how to properly cook greens. Hope you've learned something new. I'm signing out. I'm Chard.